you survive this 5 minutes?
First exercise.
From a letter W with both hands and pull back your shoulders, you should feel a good stretch on the back. You can hold the stretch for about 1 second before relaxing and then repeat again.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise.
Pop your hand forward and backwards, and you can use your hand gently to push your chin so that you can pop your hand backwards.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Lean on a wall with your entire arms touching the wall, then slide up and down along the wall.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise. Halfway there.
Bring both hands to the side with your elbows bent, and then rotate your shoulders inwards.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Find a corner and place each hand on each side of the wall and lean slightly forward to feel a stretch in your back. You can hold this stretch for about 1 second before releasing and repeat again.
Ten seconds left. Last exercise.
For this last exercise, lie on your tummy with your hands by your sides. Then push yourself up while arching your back as shown here. You should feel a good stretch on your lower back.
10 seconds left. Workout complete. You have earned my respect for now.